welcome to day 12, final day of landscape painting challenge. And today I'm taking you out on a little sketching practice outside. How to do it, what to take with you, what kind of tools you will need, and how to approach sketching of landscape, of some trees, views. Let's go. And where I'm going, I'm passing by this house and this scene. I think you remember this from one of our days of landscape painting challenge. I will set up painting space up there, so I have a view of that area. We already were painting that building, we just passed it by, and I will go up there. I am now up and I have a beautiful view of trees, and I will do some tree sketching and some landscape as well. For today's sketching session, I chose a place that I'm familiar of. So with me I have a pencil case with all required tools like pencils, inks, erasers, brushes, watercolors. Then I have a paper pad with me and also a sketchbook. Sketchbook for if I would like to go and paint in some closer view. I can hold in my hand, attach watercolors to my sketchbook, and it's easy to hold and paint. If I'm comfortable here sitting, or you chose a place in your terrace or in garden, you can have a paper pad and sketch straight there. It's up to you. Water to keep hydrated, or I have with me cup. Also, if you are standing and painting, then you can use water brush pen where it's already water filled and you can go straight and paint. You don't need these extras, but water is still very important to keep hydrated, especially during summer when it's hot. And definitely we need a lot of paper towel where I will be cleaning my brush, because today I will be using water brush pen that already has water inside it, so I don't need my glass that I brought with me. I will be using only this brush. When you choose a place, it shouldn't be super beautiful or should be something really interesting. In the beginning it can be really something simple, a tree, a pond, a nearby house. I chose a place that I see in front of me, some trees, sky, buildings, just a quick sketch. And I have my paper pad on which I draw a frame of horizontal view. If you can't really see what to draw, sketch and paint, like everything around you is distracting, you can take a photo of some area and then you are looking at that and you have a photo references guide, because in the photo you have a frame. Everything is in that one particular photo, because when you are just looking to the view, everything quite is distracting what is happening around. So in order to start to understand what to look for, you can take a photo. I started with a very quick and loose drawing of the view that I see in front of me. I'm not here for precision, I'm not here for super realistic result, I'm more for sketching. Why is it good for? It's good for observation skill, it's good for seeing colors, practice mixing colors that you see in front of you, just have a wonderful time outside. You can meet up with friends, with your art friends, and do a sketching session. You can talk while you are painting. Don't feel that you need to create something unique, something very worthy. It's just a way of spending time, but for your observation skills, it's so good. I look at the view in front of me, I mix watercolors, I also place in composition. Another thing that this is really good for, these really quick sketches, is, for example, you are planning out a bigger painting. You have several ideas that you have in front of you, or maybe in your local town, garden, park, and you're not quite sure how to approach, which one to choose. Then doing these little sketches will help you out. You will get more familiar with view, you will get more familiar with colors you need, and then after trying this little piece, you maybe can decide, yeah, I want to do that, definitely, or no, I don't quite like how it looks. And you spend, like for this little sketch, in total I spent 10 minutes. It's super basic, super simple, it's small, and it doesn't take a lot of your time. You can have a separate bag ready for your goings out. You just grab it, you see a really nice weather is outside, or your artsy friend want to spend time with you, you just grab your art bag, go out, do some really quick sketches, and you will be really happy with the result. It's not about the result of the painting, but the result of spent time, of your observations, of your mastering this watercolor and sketching in general. Blocking in colors, placing composition, nothing too serious, very basic, a quick and fast sketch. I'm finishing up this first sketch that I see in front of me. I'm already happy with the result. It's just a little sketch, and I spent a really lovely these 10 minutes. I got in my creative zone where I am completely switched off from everything that is happening around. And for the next one, I decided to find shadow place where I can hide from quite a strong sun today. And I want to do a sketch of drawing trees that I see from different angle, from different perspective. And the same, I start with here I draw vertical frame, and I also took a picture of the view that I see in front of me. I couldn't quite grasp the composition, where tree and where tree began, and what really helped me is to take a photo. I have had a guidance with the frame already in the photo, and then I drew a very loose sketch of two trees, and then I was only looking what is in front of me, how the trees form. I'm not drawing, sketching each leaf. I'm blocking in main blocks that I see on the birch tree that is in front of me to make it also, this is like for observing. I'm not quite good at drawing and sketching trees, and this is really a wonderful opportunity to master this, to have some time with observing tree that is in front of me. I decided to paint with watercolor some parts of this little composition, little sketch, like tree trunk, maybe sky, just a sketch. This shouldn't be something really thought through or really worked through. Enjoying the time outside, enjoying time with art tools. And that's it for this challenge. Thank you. I really enjoyed this whole challenge. Hope you as well. And this day is more about experimenting. This day is more about going out. We artists tend to be quite lonely persons in our studio, but going out is not super hard. You can start with your garden, then you can go to your neighbor's garden if you're good friends with your neighbors, or to local park, to your forest, anywhere. Just go out, try new things. The work I did today is very simple. It shouldn't be perfect. It's not supposed to be an artwork that you need to hang in an exhibition, but try with little steps, baby steps, go out. It's a wonderful experience. Thank you for all this time during this challenge, and thank you. See you in my next tutorials.